Today we are going to discuss something important, and that is cybersecurity for job seekers. Something happened recently. Okay, when I was applying for one job, a friend of mine in the university they sent me a link to apply for a job. When I applied for the job, in the course of that, the person was trying to play a dirty trick, pretending to be another company at the back end, and that's why I want to talk to you about cybersecurity for people that seek for job from different companies. Okay, it's very important. The first cybersecurity measure you need to take when you're applying for a job in any company is to check the website. All right, check the website. Is the website poorly designed or professionally designed? If that is poorly designed, it's the first red flag that this may be fake or they want to scam you in the course of that application, right? Because they may decide, okay, let's sell this particular product to you. Those guys at the back end, they don't want to give you a job. They want to collect the money you have. Are you getting that? Then another thing you have to be careful with is the email address, the domain or attached to that email address. Let's say, for example, the person, the agency, or will I say the job recruiter is claiming to be from Amazon. All right. You should know that the email address should be something like jobrecruiter at amazon.com. Then, if you see something like jobrecruiter at allamazon.com, you know it's a red flag because allamazon.com and at amazon.com are not the same. They're different domain names. So it's a red flag that this guy may be following up to take the money you have or scam you. So be conscious of that. Another point you need to take is to avoid getting scammed when you're applying for job is make your research. So for example, somebody sent you an email address to send your CV to, all right? Please send your CV to that person. When you send the CV and the person that claims to be a recruiter responds, what you have to check is what do you have at the down part the company is claiming to be. Maybe it's claiming to be Amazon Recruiter in this case, or eBay Recruiter. Then, when you see that name, it may have a logo. Make your research by going to Google and type so and so company. Then you take a look at the website of the company he or she is claiming to be. All right, you may see different board of trustees, maybe the person head of recruitment team, and you check the name he has in his email. If that contradicts, it's a sign that this guy is likely to scam you at the end. It's not offering you any job. Rather, you want to take the one you have. So always make your research. In my own case, the person was claiming to be a particular company. So when I searched about the company, I saw the real website of that company, which is their domain name too. And I discovered that the domain name is quite different from the domain name that is attached to the email address the guy was using to communicate to me. So be careful. Some guys out there want to take your sweat. Instead of giving you the money, instead of giving you the job, they want to take the one you have. The next cybersecurity measure you need to apply when you are seeking for job is don't click on any phishing link. All right. I have some videos here that we talks about this phishing link. I will try and link one in the description. Just check it out. Okay, there are some links that may be dangerous. Maybe you send your CV and the person tells you, "Okay, we have received your CV and we like what is there. We're going to offer you the job, but click on this link to fill the remaining information." Before you click on that link, check. You may click on that link, it will send ransomware to your PC and block everything, but your important information, and you need to pay before they will open it. All right. Some will damage the files you have on your PC. They know their reason for doing that. Okay. So please do not click on any link without you checking if that link is safe or not. All right. So you will click it and they will allow you to go and fill your information. And the protocol may not be HTTPS, it will be HTTP. And when you fill your data, your sensitive information, they will take it from there. They will steal it, identity theft. So be very careful when you're filling any form or clicking on any link. when you're applying for a job. Lastly, don't send any money to anybody. All right, don't send money to anybody. Okay, you may be discussing with the person, and the person tells you maybe your CV is not good enough, that he has to hand you over to somebody that will do that for you. If you click on that Gmail, that or maybe any email address he gives to you, that person may end up charging you. And when he charges you, he may create something so bad and give it to you, tell you that that's his more professional CV. Then you have paid the person. It's another way to earn money. It nearly happened to me. So when I was talking, when I declared the guy was not pure and we were talking through email, he said my CV was not well structured, that he's going to send me an email address, which he did. A lady her Gmail address and said I should click and then talk to her on how to create a professional CV. That was when I started making research and I found out this guy was impersonating the legit platform. And I said, okay, I have been following up since. I know you're a scammer. I know you want to trick me into something, but I'm smarter than you because I have knowledge of cybersecurity. He didn't respond to me again. He did not. So be careful with all these things. And once you do that, you will find your dream job with time without falling prey to some scammers out there. If this helps, consider subscribing, hit the like button, and leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you and see you some other time.